Welcome to another review video. This is the Passive Review Boss. And in today's video, we're going to be going over the Padcaster Parrot Teleprompter. Now, before I continue with this, there will be a link in the description so that you can go directly to the Amazon page for this particular product as well and look at all the details yourself. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to see right here, this is what it comes in. When you buy it, before you open it, it comes in a box just like this. It'll say Padcaster on it, and it'll have the website on it as well. And inside of it, you're going to get a quick start guide. This unfolds into a, like a mini poster size. And so you can take a look at that. And then it also comes with a warranty card as well. Now, inside the actual box, first thing you're going to have is your remote control. This actually controls the teleprompter feed, so you can use it to pause it or to control these feed speed. And this is the on-off switch. And the way this works is it connects with your smartphone via Bluetooth, and it does come with the batteries as well, which goes under this remote control itself. So that's a cool thing. Next is you're going to get a cleaning kit. This comes with a pen brush, which you can use to dust off particles off of the teleprompter body. And it comes with a cleaning pad, a cleaning cloth, so that you can wipe smudges or fingerprints off of the teleprompter body as well. Next, you're going to have your mounting rings. The teleprompter body uses mounting rings depending upon what type of lens you are using to record your videos. So as you can see right here, this says 37 millimeters. And so this particular mounting ring is to fit on a 37 millimeter lens. And it has various sizes on here as well. It's probably about a dozen rings in here. So a dozen different lens sizes depending on what you use to record your videos. And then what you have right here is a protective case for your teleprompter body. It protects the main screen that you use to read your teleprompter feed. Now let's take a look at the mount itself. This is the teleprompter body. This is a casing right here. And as you can see, if you could look right here, this is the mounting ring right here, which screws on to the lens itself. So this one right here is a 16 millimeter size right here because I have a 16 millimeter lens that I use to record. And so it just slides right on top inside of there and it locks in place. And then right here is your smartphone. This is what you're going to actually use to read your teleprompter feed. And in order to do that, you have to download the Parrot app that comes with this. And from there, you'll be able to create your scripts or upload your scripts to it and change all your different settings, such as font size, speed, all of that. So a lot of different functionality as well. But once you have that set up and you start it, your feed will scroll through on your phone and it will reflect right onto this plastic covering right here so that you can read. And it works quite well too. And in order to get your smartphone onto the actual teleprompter body, we can kind of twist this a little bit. This little part right here, you can pull it down and then you can slide your phone right inside of there and it just locks it in place. And so what I like to do when I'm recording sometimes I'll record this way. And then if I need to do maybe something like a TikTok video, my phone, my actual camera can swivel over to the side and I can actually read my teleprompter. Oh, don't want to drop the phone. I can actually read my teleprompter this way as well. So you can get fancy with it as well. Just play around with it. But this thing works out pretty well. I like it. It's definitely a time saver for me when I'm recording videos because I can just write out my script in a Google Doc and I will just upload or copy and paste it into the app itself and just hit record and start going. But like I said, this is the Padcaster Parrot Teleprompter. There will be a link in the description if you want to take a look directly at the product page for this. And if you have any questions, please leave them below. Until then, see you in the next video.